Lapha silungiselela umdlalo we-Zone 6 Club Championships, meaning clubs from different countries in the zone, that is Zone 6. But when I Region 5, but is Zone 6 in terms of volleyball. Bayabuya bezodlala lapha for club championships. Amazwe abuya Zambia yabuya, Mozambique, Malawi, South Africa, Botswana and Zimbabwe, Lesotho and Swaziland. Abantu laba bafika namuhla, ama-teams afika namuhla, and then kusasa kuzabe le technical meeting, and then ama-games azaqalisa on Saturday at 8. Umdlalo edlalelwa i-Trade Fair showgrounds, hall number 3. It's asibhadalisi ukungena, it's actually free. Ngifuna ukuthi abantu bonke abathanda ivoli bazobona bazobona umehluko okhona ama-clubs, the national team, and then when you play schools. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi iZimbabwe iyakhokhela sibili kuma-courses, but kule difference when it comes to clubs. Sesihambisile what they call ngama-flyer kuma-schools sibazisa ukuthi umdlalo ukhona khona, and we are also going to be sizafaka futhi emakombini lani ukuthi si-advertise umdlalo.